What do you think is the most commonly asked question I get about my Deluge videos? Is it about MIDI, or the synth engine, or sampling? The most frequently asked question I get is, where did you get those letters on the keypads? I did some searching on Amazon and found these clear adhesive labels which fit the Deluge keys perfectly. They're by the brand Herma. Be sure to get the 5mm letter size, otherwise they'll be too big for the Deluge keys. I've had them for a year now on my Deluge and they've survived daily use pretty well. The first thing you'll want to do is clean any dust or dirt off the keypads on the Deluge. You can use a small makeup brush or shaving brush to clean around the keys. I have a paintbrush here that I use, and this will give you that fresh, clean, new synth look before you go sticking your labels on. There we go, all clean. Look at that. As good as new. Now that our keys are all clean, use a tweezers to carefully put each letter onto the keypad. Press down firmly once you put it on to make sure it sticks on well. There, all done. And now saving and loading songs becomes so much more straightforward when you have a keypad to type on. You now can see the keys to type, and so you don't have to guess what synth preset 147 means anymore. The question you're going to get asked on YouTube will be, where did you get those cool letters for your Deluge keys? And now you know the answer.